Welcome back, Pack. How are you guys today? Today we're going to talk about how to put beard butter or beard oil in your beard and what I use and what you could use or what you would like to use. So what I use here is the Honest Amish. I don't know if you can see that. And it's a beard balm. Looks like that. This is what I put in my beard. I put it in at night. I put it in the morning. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to use that. Now that we're back. So guys, I have a crap ton of beard oils. These are one of my favorites that I have. So we got Black Rebel again. This is Black Rebel, the Easy Rider. Their limited scent, and this was his Halloween scent. The Beetlejuice, which is amazing. Badass Beard Company, the Ladies Men. This smells really freaking good too. So these are the beard oils that I have out. I have a whole bunch tucked away that I use periodically, especially if I were to go out if it has a scent. If I'm just going to work or hanging out around the house, I use this beard balm. It has a great texture in it. That's about as much as I use. Put it on a hand, work it through, warm it up, and put it through my beard. I start from the bottom up. And this, what it does, it conditions your beard. It keeps it from being itchy, especially when you first start growing your beard. It gets really itchy. I'm gonna tell you, man, that thing, it sucks. I'll let you know if you want to keep going. The itch is gonna suck. The dryness is gonna suck. When you're looking at it and you're starting to see bald spots in these areas that you got patchiness in, it's gonna suck. The first 60 days of growing a beard, I go out to the first 90 days. The first 90 days of growing a beard is really just the growth. You're letting it grow. You're not trimming it. You're not doing anything but letting it grow. You want to do this. Growing a beard takes time. Growing a beard is a project. That's how I apply my beard balm, my beard butter. It's the same thing on everything else. With beard oil, it's the same concept. Get some of this, put about 1, 2, 3, 4 drops in your hands. Especially now, so it's wintertime here. I live in the Midwest, so it's wintertime. It is dry. It gets itchy, so a beard care routine is going to be what's gonna work best for those people that live up here that's dry. So key in your beard routine and let me know what works for you. Peace.